The most exciting and at the same time most challenging begins at NUFF. In cinemas we watch the final product, but the film set is an absolutely different world with its own rules. This group consists of young people aged 16 to 23. The group leader Angeliki interferes only when something goes wrong, otherwise she's not seen. Right now, the first scene is being shot at the central square.
And somewhere here you can check your watches and you will understand that, oh, probably you can be late.
The main thing in such masterclasses is to engage everybody in the group. Otherwise, people would hang around the set aimlessly and get in the way. Everybody in the group is an amateur, except for two of them. Those are Mark from Sweden, acting as a cameraman, and Philip from Moscow. This year Philip has graduated from university, majored in cinema directing. That's why he takes the film set like a duck to water.
Forget about the hell and go inside the show.
Okay.
And that's all.
I want to be democratic with them. I don't want that they have the feeling that I decide for them. And so I asked, what do you want to do? And the one said, I want to make direction. The other said, I want to make the cinematography.
And this group is different. Unlike the previous group, they have chosen a local art gallery, somewhat similar to a museum. It was not a problem to get owner's permission. Tromsø citizens already got used to seeing young people with cameras in the streets every year, and they help eagerly.
Okay, ready? Camera rolling, and action.
Group work is tough, especially when surrounded by people from different countries with their own mentality and ideas. Brainstorming produced few ideas because participants didn't know each other well enough. The following day the group went outdoors, and as a result was the first to start shooting. That's how fresh air inspired the storyline.
Takes this one, drinks the Coke cup and throws the bottle. So he just left it here, obviously. And when you see this, you're like, whoa, what's going on?
Despite of the seeming easiness, it takes almost 3 hours of shooting to make a 2-minute film. There should be a strict hierarchy when it comes to filming, just like in the army. Some are in the low position, some in the higher, but all submit themselves to one objective, high-quality product. And everything happening on the set is very new, tough and captivating at the same time for these young filmmakers.
As well, you know, sometimes people get upset, sometimes people think my idea is not being heard, but this is all part of the process of learning, is to and to also to learn to speak up, because if you don't say something, then it's very hard to sort of not, you know, if you don't speak up, then you're not going to be heard, you see.
Cooperation. This is the global idea NUFF was created for. Just like a relay race, you learn something and pass it on. That's how it was and that's how it will be. Our life is based on exchange of experience. Thus we see two countries sitting at one table. The most southern, Republic of South Africa, and the most northern, Norway. NUFF. 4 letters that unite young people from all over the world, 6 years in a row. If one asks, what is common between Republic of South Africa and Sweden, Russia and England, Estonia and Palestine, the answer will be NUFF.